My name is Liana. I live in Bali. I had recently a couple of sessions with Eeshi-Ra with Tuniforks. And my problem is auto accident. It happened 28 years ago, and I had a problem with my low back and my neck. And I just asked her to help me, and it was amazing. The first session I was all scratching and shaving, and it was my energy was running. It's like 1,000 ants on my skin. It was itching all my body, and then Eeshi-Ra said, "Don't worry, it's okay, it's normal, it's just firing your nervous system." And the second session, it was very relaxing and beautiful, and the other sessions were also very beautiful and very relaxing, but it was not just relaxing, it's really helped me with my injury, because now I don't have pain anymore in my leg and in my lower back. It's really amazing, it's really helped. It's a beautiful healing session. It's not just relaxing, it's not just in music, it's powerful medicine.